Go. Hello, everybody. My name is Johnny Bravo 22, and today we're going to be playing some Bed Wars with my friend Pop, or Burning Magma.
Hi.
He is better at this game than I am. He's always been better at this game than me. It's kind of sad. But I'll protect the bed. That's what I usually do.
You're just a better builder than me. I have dramatic wings.
So
What
this...
software are you using?
What?
Let's talk about that after the game.
Well, just disclaimer real quick, there is swearing allowed. This is not a child-friendly YouTube channel. Do not let your children watch this.
Kind of, but then it kind of isn't.
I mean, unless you're okay with that kind of stuff, but... Oh, I hate this. I hate this. I hate it. I hate it.
I have tools, by the way. So
Cleanliness is next to godliness. Can't buy two, of course not.
I'm so good at this game.
I know you are. You're the best.
Why did I not stop to adjust my speed bridging? That's going to... I'm pretty sure yellow is too.
Bruh, you're just sitting here farming.
No, I fell.
You fall?
Yeah, I fell.
Dude, that dude going... Oh, someone's here. Green's here.
Green's here?
Sorry.
Oh, how did we get here?
Oh, TNT. Don't get blown off. Don't get blown off.
Our teammate's going in.
The best start to this.
I'm gonna go help my teammate. Or our teammate.
Your teammate?
He's about to die, though.
Well, he finna tried.
Oh, nope. I'm gonna die. Run, Johnny! What are you doing?
Dying. Other people might join the call, because this is not a one-person call. I'm not professional. I'm doing this pure out of funness.
Yeah, pure fun.
This is not like a serious channel. This is gonna be a raw, uncut footage, so there might be some moments where I'm just like da 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 da.
Chunky boy.
I am not chunky. I am fluffy.
Same thing.
All right, now let's go be a child predator. No, don't take that out of context, please. I just have to crouch on these people.
Crouch my
Donnie Bob skin. So, every video has to be 15 minutes because of the software I'm using. Yeah. So, if I upload like once a day, it's literally just because I feel like it, and there's nothing else that's really going on. But, if I do something like HCF, or we do some, clans or factions, there might be more than one episode a day.
Factions.
Factions and stuff like that. But, yeah. So, I'm a derpy dragon. Derp. Derp, 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 derp. Oh, bye, Silly. Why was Silly here?
No, she was... I don't know.
She was...
Oh, BEDWARS game. I play that game.
Also, I'm legit recording out of my laundry room with a blanket up over the doorway.
Why would you put that out there?
Because I felt like it. I told you, this is not going to be like a big channel. It's just going to be something small. Kids from my stuff can look at it from my school. And if I might upload after this of just an hour-long Fortnite video that I have stuck in my QuickTime players.
Yeah.
Legit though, it's an hour long and it has 0 audio. Here, Pop.
Wait, why are you giving me stuff?
I felt like it. Makes it easier for you.
That is true.
And you're the pro. Oh, a little friend just came in here. Oh, my mom's friend's kids.
Don't say everything personal about your life.
I know. Well, a lot of it's just gonna be like. Oh. Well then. You gonna try to get a bed already?
Ah, the guy suiciding on me.
I need your pickaxe. What is
How
this
are
man?
you doing to me? What?
This dude is sitting here hogging everything.
Needs nah.
I need you to go use your pick on that. I accidentally placed the wrong block. That's better. I need 24, I think, to get the clay there.
Need one more gold.
And I like to bow people, so I'll save up for a bow.
He's basically the defender.
Yeah. Just sometimes I'll run out there, but most of the time when I run out, we end up losing the bed.
Yes. I mean, like, okay, when it gets close to where I know that we're not going to lose our bed, then we're fine. But whenever you do end up leaving the base, make sure that you check everywhere and make sure that our bed is safer.
Next we'll do glass. Someone's here, I think. No, this is someone crossing our bridge. So I can get 64 to completely cover the bed with glass.
I just freaking sweated so hard.
Just get 64 iron and see if that works. Because it's over 36. Because it was 36 to cover the bed the first time. Well, the third time.
Oh, what a faggot.
Bruh.
What?
Nothing.
I said one bad word, it's okay.
Alright, so close to 64. Can you get diamonds?
Yeah, hold on.
Glass. Out the bum hole. That's not enough glass. But okay.
Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, 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 bum, bum, bum. You didn't finish it, I'm sorry.
I didn't have enough.
No, I meant the song that I was singing. Oh, fuck.
Oh, ba-da, 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 ba-da.
Yeah.
The autistic dinosaur.
Yep.
Autismo's gone. Glass proof. And then I might just toss a layer of just...
Oh, that was loud.
At the 8-minute mark.
Green is rushing us.
We'll probably be able to finish this game. Are they crossing bridge?
They were trying to.
Let them come. I can bow.
And I have to show my dominance. 2v1, 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 dead. They have sharpness too. I'm scared of that.
I told you to get diamonds.
I stopped this blue guy from rushing. I don't know why he thinks he's uninvisible. No, I got too close to him.
They coming?
Yeah.
No one's coming.
He's at the bridge though.
I'm almost done covering, so. Papa! Ooh.
He's only a 7-star.
What is it?
Like, oh, why did he bridge to that diamond? Bro, we built to green's diamond, so now they can get to us easier.
I'm gonna have 2 leftover pieces of glass after this. I also have a present for you.
Might be he bridge egged over here. Okay, ink.
I don't see anyone. Present. Come here, Pop.
Hold on. Yeah?
Present.
Give me. Yay.
I'm gonna throw an extra layer of blast proof just as a cone.
Yeah, if you do an extra layer, then...
No,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
just, he's coming.
Do you not have a bow yet? Okay.
Let's go.
I dislike blue.
I know you do. 10-minute mark. Got 5 minutes. We gotta end this game, brother. So yeah, most of this stuff, if it's like Skywars like this, it's just gonna be like 15 minutes, like one game. This one was like 1.5. Dude, I am so not okay with this right now.
What's happening?
Dude, do you see where I am right now?
No, I'm not at base.
So I'm above Green's, right next to Green's diamonds. I think blue's coming for us.
I can't go. There's probably an invis with them. So look at the bridge carefully. If you see any specks on the ground, swing like crazy.
No!
Okay, I'm about to break their bed.
It's blue.
Ten-hearted.
I'm dead. I tried.
It's okay, everyone's bed is gone.
Dude, I was listening to Fitz's podcast yesterday. Shout out to Misfits and Fitz and all them, because I love their channel. Awesome stuff they do. I was listening to it earlier today, and I was on one of the episodes, and in the beginning he was like, rated 5 stars by someone, and the comment was, "You make my pee-pee smile." When I
You make my pee-pee smile?
Literally, that was so funny.
I don't know why this guy thought you could actually do that.
He has jump boost.
Does?
Idiot. Oh, you missed!
No, don't fucking look at that. I'm pointing straight up.
God.
See how it curves?
I know, you got one hit on this boy. He's the only one left. Oh, watch Green now. Green is still alive.
I know, they're faggots.
They have no access point to get out, though, so you're fine for now. You focus on blue, I'll tell you if Green's coming. And if you can't win this game in 2 minutes, I'll outro.
You should probably cut this out then. Cut out the waiting.
Can't cut with this. So I said at the beginning that uncut footage.
Damn, that sucks. I don't think I'll be able to win this.
It'll be good, though. If it doesn't, I'll just be like, in the title, I'll be like, we won anyways. So, we won, 4v1. Was carried by a one burning man. Get a golem if you can. If you can get a golem, get one.
I can't.
No?
But just for you?
What are you gonna do?
Oh, fuck me. They're all right there.
Yeah, okay. You might want to get some,
No, I'm gonna bait them.
Did you bait them? Do you have a bow?
No.
Yeah, I'll outro in a second. They won't be able to see me, though.
Okay, that guy.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed my very first video. And I will see all you guys in the very next video that I do. So, I'm on fire. Well, bye. This was Johnny Bravo. And I am signing off. Bye.